Welcome back to Car Riftar, your go-to source for everything on four wheels with style, soul and cutting-edge tech. Today we're diving into something refreshingly unexpected: the 2026 BMW Mini Camper Van. Yes, you heard that right. Mini has stepped boldly into the adventure vehicle space, and they've done it in the most Mini way possible: compact, quirky and packed with clever surprises. For decades, Mini has been known for urban agility, cheeky charm and a sense of personality rarely found in the compact segment. But in 2026, Mini flips the narrative with a vehicle that's all about escape. The Mini Camper Van marks a bold new chapter for the brand. Think of it as a spiritual successor to the classic traveler's van, but reimagined for a new generation of weekend warriors and digital nomads. Built on an extended version of Mini's versatile modular platform, the same one underpinning the Countryman, this camper is electric, efficient and surprisingly premium. So let's break it down piece by piece: performance, design and what makes this van stand out in an increasingly crowded space of camper conversions and compact RVs. From the outside, the 2026 Mini Camper Van is unmistakably Mini. It carries the signature wide stance, short overhangs and circular LED headlights that feel instantly familiar, but stretched into a form that's more upright and functional. At 4.8 meters long and 1.9 meters tall, it's compact enough to handle urban streets, but tall enough to accommodate a standing adult inside. The two-tone paint options are classic Mini, with bold combinations like chili red with a black top, British racing green with bronze accents, or even a sky blue on white surf edition. Details like the Union Jack taillights, rugged plastic body cladding, integrated solar panels on the pop-up roof and a side-mounted utility ladder give the camper van a sense of purposeful charm. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that blends the charm of a boutique hotel with the practicality of a mobile apartment. The camper van seats four, with swiveling front seats that rotate to face the lounge area. Mini has made maximum use of every inch of space. The rear folds into a full-length double bed, and the pop-up roof includes a second sleeping berth with a skylight view. During the day, the modular rear bench turns into a sofa or workstation. Materials top-notch. Expect recycled woven fabrics, sustainable wood trims and Mini's iconic toggle switches, now redesigned for camper-friendly functions like cabin lighting, water pump control and solar charging status. There's a slide-out kitchenette with a dual-burner induction hob, a collapsible sink and a 35-liter mini fridge. Under bed storage compartments, roof-mounted shelves and magnetic sidewall accessories make organization a breeze. The tech suite is a huge part of what makes the 2026 Mini Camper Van so compelling. At the center of the dash is an 11-inch OLED circular touchscreen running Mini Operating System 10, a playful, intuitive interface that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's fully connected, meaning you can check charging status, control lighting modes or even pre-cool the cabin using your smartphone. There's voice assistant support powered by BMW's next-gen AI, and it can even integrate with your smart home so you can turn off the lights back home while brewing your campfire coffee. Ambient lighting sets the mood inside with color themes that match your journey: forest glow, ocean drive and urban escape. And yes, there's Wi-Fi on board via 5G connectivity. So whether you're zooming from Zion or gaming in Glacier National Park, you're connected. Under the hood, the 2026 Mini Camper Van is powered by an all-electric dual-motor AWD setup producing 310 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. It's quick, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, which is insane for a camper. But speed isn't the point here. What matters is range, efficiency and control. Mini has equipped this van with a 78 kilowatt-hour battery pack, good for up to 290 miles of real-world range, a healthy number for weekend trips. There's DC fast charging up to 150 kilowatts, letting you get from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. Regenerative braking is adjustable, allowing for smooth one-pedal driving, and it includes terrain-specific modes like sand, mud and snow. And despite the taller body, the low center of gravity and Mini's signature go-kart steering feel make it surprisingly agile. Tight mountain switchbacks, no problem. Here's where it gets really interesting, because the Mini Camper Van isn't just a comfy cruiser, it's a legit off-grid companion. On the roof are integrated solar panels capable of generating up to 800 watts, which is enough to power basic appliances and keep your auxiliary 12V battery topped up during the day. The van includes a built-in water tank with a rear-mounted hose for quick rinses or dish duty, and a biodegradable toilet module tucked cleverly under the rear bench. There's a fold-out outdoor shower with a privacy curtain and a portable awning that extends from the passenger side, creating a shaded dining area using the stowable table and chairs that live in the rear cargo hold. Mini's Adventure Pack adds a mini projector, Bluetooth speaker integration and modular mount points for bikes, surfboards or snowboards. That's it for today's deep deep dive that if you like this review don't forget to like, subscribe and tap that bell icon so you never miss a drive. Let us know in the comments, would you road trip across the country in a mini camper van? Thanks for watching, until next time keep chasing the open road.